How to set Google Chrome homepage. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make Google your homepage in Chrome. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your Google Chrome app is up to date. So before that, you should restart your PC or your laptop since Google Chrome will automatically update its app. And then once you have updated or restarted your PC or laptop, what I would suggest is to click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of Chrome and then go to Settings. And then, once you're here, simply click on Startup. So before we proceed, what do you mean by the homepage of Chrome? So basically, the homepage is whenever you open Chrome for the first time, or let's say, for example, that you have just turned on your computer and then opened Google Chrome, this specific page will appear. So instead of the boring one, which is open the new tab page, which is this one, what we're going to do here is to open a specific page or set of pages. So you may click on this one right here, and then there is a default which is Google. But if you cannot see the default or suggested website, you may click on add a new page. So type in google.com and then click on add right here. And then once you open um your Google Chrome. Let's let's try it first. So this is the default one. So when we close it and then we open Google Chrome once again, we open a new window, this page will appear, which is the boring one. But if you are going to change the setting to open a specific page and then make sure it is on Google, when we close it and then we open the Google Chrome, this page will appear, which is the homepage of Google Chrome. So that's it. That's how you can set Google Chrome homepage. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.